one to rest on his laurels. Mr. Brad Burton and his team of talented beverageers continue to create new and exciting formulas.
Just like a fruit or berry variation, sodas often have a cherry version. Nuka-Cola is no different, as we get Nuka Cherry, and you can make it at home. The way you'll do this is by taking carbonated water, sugar, and Nuka-Cola syrup. You'll take this and combine it with a syrup that consists of cherries and sugar. Now, we're going to make this, and I don't currently have cherries, so I'm going to head out and go to my parents' house and pick some off of their tree. Then we'll come back and make some Nuka Cherry. So let's go. Now that I have a good amount of cherries, I'm going to pit them and set aside 1 cup. I'll then add a cup of sugar and a cup and a half of water before getting this on the stove. And this is going to break down the cherries and really get the juices out of them so we really get a good flavorful syrup. And after it's cooled, we're going to strain this syrup. Then all that's left to do is combine 5 tablespoons of the Nuka Cherry syrup, 4 tablespoons of our Nuka-Cola syrup, and the rest of the cup carbonated water. So let's give it a try and I'll let you know what I think. I do like this a lot better than Nuka-Cola Quantum, but really all it does is make me want more of the original, so I'll just give it an 8 out of 10. It is good, but it's no Nuka-Cola. Let me know if you've tried this and what you thought if you have, and if you liked this video, stay tuned or subscribe, as the next video I'm going to do another Nuka variation. Oh, and if you're making these alongside me, be sure to check out the video that I've done on how to make the regular Nuka-Cola syrup that I then added to the Nuka Cherry syrup to make Nuka Cherry. Either way, you can find that video here.